Oh, I'm getting it
Oh,
on.
that's what the three-way is. That sounds a lot better in male terms.
Oh,
Reach high up on your...
oh.
Damn it. Yeah.
Oh. Don't fall in the pool. I guess they could. Oh, that hurt.
Oh, I'm sorry, Chris.
Oh, take your shoes off, Chris. Take your shoes off. Advantage there.
How about that disparity?
Oh. That's not good. Oh, yay! Oh, yeah! Good job, Chris. Good job. You was on it.
Actually, where you win, because I'm out of here. I'm good.
Oh, you got him then. you would have mentioned that.
Good job.
Holy shit. That's a good fish, though. I mean...
No air. Fuck.
As long as you don't need that, you're good.
Well, the pool's almost clean. You could jump in there. They shocked it yesterday.
Is this a video?
I got it all on tape.
Who am I kidding? I get my ass kicked.